Exercise number 3.6, question number 1. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Some equations are given to us, they are not in linear equation form. We have to convert them to linear equation form. After that we have to solve it. Solving means find the value of unknown quantity. Here unknown quantities are x and y. You must know the values of x and y. But you can see that in the previous exercises, the given pair of linear equations are in the form of linear equation. But these are not linear equations. First of all, we have to reduce them to pair of linear equations. First we will write given equations are. What are the given equations? 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2. Second equation 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. Now 1 by 2x can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by x, half of 1 by x. 1 into 1 will be 1, 2 into x will be 2x. Like that you can write. Same way plus will be plus. 1 by 3y can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equals to 2. Second equation 1 by 3x can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2y can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by y. If you simplify it, 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into x is 3x, 1 by 3x plus 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into y is 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Observe here also 1 by x is there, here also 1 by x is there, here also 1 by y is there, here also 1 by y is there. So 1 by x is repeating, 1 by y is repeating. So to convert them to pair of linear equation, what we will do, what are the repeating things, we will assume it as one variable. Let 1 by x you can take it as p. So let us assume that 1 by x as p and 1 by y, which is repeating here 1 by y, you can take it as q. You can take it as a and b also, but you can select either p, pq or ab, that is our wish. Right. Instead of 1 by x, wherever 1 by x is there, we have to write p. Wherever 1 by y is there, we have to write q. So that it will become as half 1 by 2 into p plus 1 by 3 into q equal to 2. You will get like this. Second equation 1 by 3 into p plus 1 by 2 into q is equal to 13 by 6. Now further simplification of these equations. Half p plus 1 by 3q is equals to 2. Here fractions in between plus symbol is there. So you can go to LCM of denominators. 2 and 3 LCM will be 6. 2 and 3 LCM will be 6. 2 converted as 6 means by multiplying with the 3. So this also multiplied with the 3. 3 into 1p is 3p plus will be plus. 3 converted as 6 means 3 into 2 will give 6. 1 into 2 q. So that is 1 into 2 is 2 q. 2q is equals to 2. 6 is dividing. If you transpose to RHS, it will multiply these two. 6 into 2 it will be 12 and LHS is same. 1 by 3p plus 1 by 2q is equal to 13 by 6. 3 and 2. Here also we have to do the LCM of 3 and 2. 3 and 2 LCM will be 6. Now 3 converted as 6. So that is why we have to multiply with 2. So 1p also multiplied with 2. 2 into 1 2p. That is 2p. Plus will be plus. If it is plus you write plus, or if it is minus you write minus. This is 2 and this is 6. 2 became as 6 means by multiplying with the 3. If this is multiplied with the 3, this 1q also multiplied with the 3. So 3 into 1q, that is 3q is equal to after what we have 13 by 6. Same process here also, denominator is to be transposed to right hand side. So it will multiply. It will become as 13 by 6 into 6. 6 and 6 gets cancelled. So what you are going to get, 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 by 6 actually. 13 by 6 into 6 will give 6 gets cancelled. So that will be 2p plus 3q equal to 13. Say this one as first equation and this one as second equation. Now what you have to do, you observe here we converted the given equations. These equations are converted in the form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Now it is looking like our general question only. How to solve pair of linear equations? We have discussed methods. Now I am taking elimination method. Here you observe, if you wanted to eliminate, either you can eliminate p term or you can eliminate q term by equating their coefficients. Here I wanted to eliminate p term, so I wanted to equate the coefficient. This first equation 3 and 2 LCM will be 6 actually. 3 and 2 LCM will be 6. Here if you wanted to get 6 here, so this entire equation is multiplied with 2. Now here if you wanted to get 6 in place of 2, this entire equation is multiplied with 3. So it will become as 2 into 3p, that is 6p. 2 into 2q is 4q. 2 into 12 is 24. First equation into 2. Second equation is multiplied with 3. 3 into 2p is 6p. 3 into 3q is 9q is equal to 3 into 13 is 39. Now when you are subtracting, here also 6p, here also 6p is there. By adding, you cannot eliminate p term. By subtracting only, when you are subtracting, sign change will be there. So this will be negative and this also will be negative. And whenever you are having minus, you can write here plus. If it is plus, you can write minus only. 6p minus 6p will be 0. 4q minus 9q. 4 minus 9 is minus 5q is equal to 24 minus 39 will gives minus 15. Both sides minus is there. Minus minus gets cancelled. Q is equal to 15 divided by 5. 5 is multiplying. If you transpose to RHS, it will divide this 15. 15 by 5. 5 one time. 5 3 times. So Q equal to 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is nothing but 3 only. So Q equal to 3. You got Q value. Next, what you need to do, you have to substitute this Q value either in equation 1 or equation 2. So substitute Q equal to 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1? You observe here 3p plus 2q equal to 12. In this, wherever Q is there, put there 3. So it will become as 3p plus 2 into Q. So what is the equation? 3p plus 2 into Q equal to 12. Q value is 3. So that 3p plus 2 into Q value is 3. Substitute here. 2 into 3 is equal to 12. 2 into 3 will be 6 only. This plus 6 is transposed to this side. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is positive 6 only. So 3p equal to 6. So p is equal to 3 is multiplying. If you transpose, it will divide this 6. 6 by 3. 6 by 3. 3 one time. 3 2 times. 2 by 1 is 2 only. So p value is 2. Our intention is to find out x and y values, but not p and q. But to know x and y, we have to find out p and q. Reason, you assumed 1 by x as p, 1 by y as q. So by using them, but we know 1 by x as p and 1 by y is q. We only assumed. We will substitute that values. P value 2 you got. Instead of p, you can write this 2. 1 by x will be same. 1 by y is same. Q value what you got? 3. So 3 you can write. Now what you need to do? Just you have to transpose this x here and 2 will be transposed here. So x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to x. Same way, this y will come here. 3 will come here. 1 by 3 equal to y. So finally you can conclude x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3.